Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a line through or a cross out effect for your text on Elementor, or I should say your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we need to do is we want to make sure that we're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator. So once you guys are here, once you're on the dashboard, the idea is we want to get access to the site builder or text editor, specifically the text editor. So there are a couple ways to get there. You could either click on edit site right under quick links, as you guys can see here, or you want to click on appearance, hover over it and select editor, or plugins and click on install plugins and select Elementor, or click on this one right here. It doesn't really matter. The idea is we just want to get to the text editor. So to show you guys what I mean, let's do this one, for example. Let's do this one instead. So if I want to go edit a line of text here, like let's say this is the title of my website right here. So the idea is you want to click on the element, as it's actually the easiest way to do it. I'm going to click on text editor like this one. If I want to edit the text here, it doesn't really matter. So if I want to edit the text for that says Core Dynamics Tech, you want to select it under the corresponding widget, and you want to click on style like so. And from here, you guys would want to click on typography, just like this. And you'll see that there's a drop down with a couple of different options to choose from. So from here, you can change the font, like if you want it to be something else like that, or let's go with Roboto as it's the most basic one. So from here, you would want to look for the decoration tab. So it's this one right here. And when you click on it, there are a couple of different options like underline, overline, line through, and so on. So this is what we're looking for, line through. And you can see that it's crossed out, and you can pretty much do the same for any text within your website. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.